Oh, hold on. Alexa, off. I am making banana bread. Let me show you. Yum! Anyway, door didn't seem shut right. So, I'm making banana bread because I have a guest. And I think he's out in the backyard making a video right now. So when he comes in, I'll flip the tables on him and I'll interview him. Nah, I'm just going to say hey to him and visit. He showed up last night and he's been helping out around the house. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay. Wouldn't you know, as soon as I get company, fun company, my back goes out. But anyway, my guest is here and he is working on, I'll show you, panning slowly. He's working on cleaning out his rig so that it suits him a little better. And he's been a big help around here. I got stuck in my recliner. I haven't slept all night because of my back. And I got in a position in my recliner that I couldn't get out. So I think I was stuck there for about an hour. Couldn't move. Anyway, I texted him, "Are you awake yet?" So he came up and knocked on the bedroom door. And I yelled help. And he came in and helped me. What happened was I got a pillow wedged between my back and the chair and under my arm. And I can't close that. I couldn't get up. Anyway, so I'm going to sneak in there and let you say hi to him, or let him say hi to you. The master at work. Doing his favorite thing. Say hi to everybody, RossyPooh.
Hello, everybody, RossyPooh.
Yeah, he cooked me breakfast this morning, and he's working his magic in the kitchen tonight. I don't think he likes my kitchen at all.
Oh, it's awful.
You wouldn't like it, huh?
Too big.
Yeah. Anyway, so that's my guest. That was my surprise. And I'm going back to bed. Bye, RossyPooh.
Bye-bye.
He showed up the day before Halloween, the 30th, I guess. Late. Ouch. And usually for Halloween I hide. Not that many kids here anyway. But he said, well, if you want me to hand out candy, I will. So I ran to the next town over, Planada, and bought a bag of candy and came home, got it in a basket by the front door for him. We didn't have one trick-or-treater. Not one. So Ross is leaving with a bunch of candy. Yeah, so he's worked on the spa for me because the heater went out or something. So we got to go to Livermore as soon as I feel better and pick up the part. And what else has happened? Like I said, he's working on his rig. And when I was in Oregon the last time, not the last time, time before last, I got that acorn barbecue smoker oven thing. I'll show it to you. This thing. And it's just too heavy for me to lift and to get in and out of the truck. Sorry, in and out of the truck. Oops, sorry. So I gave it to him because he was looking for some sort of a way to cook in his RV or in his rig. So I asked him if he wanted that, and he said, yeah. Because he said he wants to start smoking meat and do all kinds of stuff. So I figured I won't use it. It's too hard for me to maneuver around. And he needs it, so we help each other out. Anyway, like I said, I'm going back to bed, and I'll get this video uploaded as soon as I can. It's been a real pleasure having Ross here. He's just the sweetest guy. He really is. That's it. So I'll be back later, or I'll end this video here, who knows.